I love it when companies do this. Samsung does this every year with the Z Fold series, by the way. They usually collab with different companies, make a custom variant of that, phone. And they do it because it's exciting, right? It's exciting. It's limited. People buy it because it's a limited edition of the phone. And it's always a cool concept. It always looks cool. It's like, oh yeah, look, we have like this, clothing brand version of this phone. This is not that. So Huawei has a fully 24 karat gold tri-foldable cell phone. So they released their Mate XT, right? And now they released one covered in 24 karat. Yeah, okay. I was making sure I believe they did release this. 1 terabyte, okay, fully 24 karat gold for $18,000. I just gotta mentally process 18 grand for a tri-foldable cell phone. Now obviously this is 24 karat gold. You're not using this cell phone. Okay, if anyone buys this for 18 grand, it's not a 18 grand you're buying it to use it. You're buying it to put in, a display case and never touch again. Because, wow, is that expensive. Now, obviously, why is it 18 grand? 18 grand is because the gold. The gold is what really holds the value. Gold always holds value. So, while yes, the phone is worth $3,000 MSRP, the actual gold value content is worth, well, according to the price tag, 15 grand. Now, obviously, it's probably cheaper to manufacture, and with the gold, then the price tag will be because they want to make a profit, they want to make more money. But it's still a cool concept. It really is. Just $18,000 for a foldable cell phone. We always talk about ridiculous prices, and when this phone actually came out, the Huawei Mate XT, it was actually way too expensive. It was $3 grand. Then scalpers picked it up and started reselling it for $5 to $8 grand, up to 10 grand. And now we have an 18 grand one. Oh, prices of foldable cell phones when they're 24 karat gold. Kind of crazy. Obviously, though, we're probably not going to see any other 24 karat gold cell phones in any way. Hopefully not. But knowing this, there will be another company now that will come out with a fully crazy cell phone that's fully diamonds or something. I don't know. I'll see you guys in the next one, though. Peace out.